Some agencies track phones. Others run hardware GPS trackers or IP modems bolted into vehicles or a mix of all three. Traccar is how you put every one of them on a single TicketsCAD dispatch map. If you watched the OwnTracks video, this is the same idea, scaled up to a fleet. Traccar Server speaks dozens of tracker protocols. We will point its position feed at TicketsCAD, map one tracker, and watch its pin move live. Let us go. First, pick your path. There are three. Traccar Server Forwarder, you run Traccar Server, and it forwards positions to TicketsCAD. That is the one we will demo, and the right choice for a real fleet. Traccar Client Direct, the free Traccar app on a phone or two, posting straight to TicketsCAD with no server. And OpenGTS Direct, legacy IP modems posting to the OpenGTS endpoint. We will come back to those at the end. The written guide has the details. The prerequisites are the same as OwnTracks. In Config, Location Providers, switch Traccar on. And the Location Ingest panel is where you will verify everything, just like before. Watch the OwnTracks video for the full walkthrough. Here is Traccar Server's own admin interface. It handles the hard part, dozens of device protocols, position history, a mature map. TicketsCAD does not replace it. It just needs the position feed, so dispatch sees your trackers alongside everything else. To send that feed, you configure forwarding on the Traccar server itself. There is no forwarding screen in Traccar's web interface. It lives in the configuration file, traccar.xml, in the conf directory. On a Linux install, that is under opt/traccar. Inside the properties block, add three entries. Forward.enable set to true. Forward.type set to JSON. And forward.url, your TicketsCAD address, /API/location.php ? Provider equals Traccar. On some older Traccar 5 releases, the type key is forward.json instead. If you are using tokens, and you should, add one more entry, forward.header, with authorization, bearer, then your token. Then restart the Traccar service. Configuration file changes do not apply live. Once the service is back up, Traccar forwards every position to TicketsCAD. Now map the device. In Traccar, open the tracker and copy its unique ID, usually its IMEI. In TicketsCAD, mint a token of type Traccar and paste that unique ID as the bound device ID. That authenticates the tracker, so only reports from this device are accepted. With the forwarder running, the tracker's positions start arriving. Switch to your dispatch map, and there is the pin, provider tracker, at the tracker's location. As the vehicle moves, the pin follows in real time. Confirm it in Location Ingest Recent Reports. The new rows show provider Traccar, the device ID, and the token's label. Same panel, any provider. For a fleet, think of tokens in two layers. A tracker that posts directly to TicketsCAD carries its own per-device token, bound to its unique ID. The server forwarder is a single pipe. Give it one Traccar scopes token in the forward.header entry you set earlier. Turn require token on, and every position must carry a valid one. Lose a tracker? Revoke just its token. That device gets a 401 and nothing else is disturbed. That is the whole point of per-device tokens over a single shared secret. One compromised tracker does not force you to rekey the entire fleet. 2 shortcuts for smaller setups. With 1 or 2 evaluation devices, the Traccar client app can post straight to TicketsCAD, no server needed, using the same provider equals Traccar endpoint. And legacy IP modems can post to the OpenGTS endpoint. Both are in the written guide. So, a real mixed fleet with hardware trackers wants Traccar Server forwarding everything to TicketsCAD. A phone or two wants OwnTracks or Traccar client. Legacy modems want OpenGTS. Recap. Enable Traccar, set up the server forwarder to the location endpoint, secure the feed with tokens, map each tracker's unique ID to a unit in roster, COM identifiers, and verify in recent reports. Your whole fleet live on one dispatch map. That completes the location tracking add-ons. For the full provider reference, see the Traccar setup guide in your documentation. Thanks for watching.